New South Wales supermarket staff are preparing for an onslaught of complaints as fines are introduced for the state's indoor mask mandate. From today, everyone must wear a mask in shops, salons, indoor venues and on public transport or risk a $200 on-the-spot fine. The rule applies to Greater Sydney, Wollongong, the Central Coast and the Blue Mountains. Workers have been briefed on how to react if shoppers refuse to comply.
The new must-have accessory on Sydney streets.
Where practical, where possible, please wear a mask.
From supermarkets to buses and those snapping up a bargain, the vast majority of people are following the new mandatory mask order for public transport and indoor venues, making Sydneysiders cover up or cop a possible $200 fine. Health authorities also calling on more people to get tested.
We're asking all of the community in Western and Southwestern Sydney and indeed in Wollongong to rise to the occasion again and go out and get tested.
Genomic testing has revealed the growing cluster from a BWS store in Baralla in Sydney's west is not linked to the Northern Beaches outbreak, instead connected to a patient transport driver who contracted the virus from a return traveller.
Unfortunately, one of the patient transport workers acquired infection, passed it on to a colleague. That colleague had been at the Baralla BWS for a very fleeting amount of time, but what we now know is that transmission occurred.